Hello all, this is Arjun. So today our topic is VED analysis. So what is exactly VED analysis? So VED analysis is based on the criticality of the items. If the items are arranged in the descending order of the criticality. See, suppose if I have to procure 10 to 20 items for my plant, I should know which item is essential for me, which item is vital for me, which item is desirable for me. As in, there must be some items without which I cannot even start the production, and there must be some items without which my production process efficiency will be deteriorated, and there must be some items by which my production process won't get much affected. So I have to group my items into three categories, which is V as in vital items, E as in essential items, D as in desirable items, right? So just hold on a minute. Yeah, right. So what are vital items? So vital items are such items which when required are not available. They make the whole system inoperative, right? So vital items are those items, if they are not available, they will make the whole system inoperative, or they will stop the whole production. Without it I cannot even go further in my production process, right? So then comes my essential items. So what is my essential items? Essential items are those items which when demanded are not available. It might reduce the efficiency of the system, so that they are called essential items, right? Then comes our desirable items. So what exactly are desirable items? So desirable items are such that even if they are not available, they neither stop the system nor reduce its efficiency, but it will be good if they are present in the system, right? So I'll give you an example one by one for my vital items, for my essential items, for my desirable items. So as we know, let's take a very basic example of our class. So for if I need to take a class, what is the most vital item I need? I'll be needing some students. Without students, I cannot take the class, right? So students are my vital items if I need to take the class. Then comes essential items. So if I have a projector, my efficiency might be increased. See, I have to write numericals, I have to write equations, I have to explain diagrams on the board by writing it with my chalk. My hand, I have to use it. I might get fatigue later, or I might put a diagram which might you might not be able to understand. I cannot create animations in the board, right? But if I use a projector, I can use animations, I can use videos, I can give you real time examples what is happening in the industries more frequently, right? So for by that, what will happen, the efficiency of my class will be increased, right? So I can term it into my essential item, right? Then is a desirable item. So if our class is in second floor or maybe the topmost floor, and the temperature is around 38 degrees or 40 degrees, if there is an air conditioner, so we might feel a lot comfortable while sitting in the class. But it won't it doesn't affect our, the level of our class, or it won't be affecting our the experience in our class. It will just make our surrounding comfortable, so we can survive with AC or without AC. So it is a desirable item. If it's there, it will be good. If it's not there, doesn't matter, we can still continue our class. So this is just a basic example of VED analysis. So like that, many examples are there when it comes to industry. So in industry, if I have to procure 20 materials, suppose, and out of 20 materials, 4 are vital, 6 are essential, right, and and 10 are desirable. First, I will invest my money or my resources on which item? So I'll be investing my resources in first vital items. First, I will procure these 4 vital items. Once my 4 vital items are in my industry, then I think I can start my production. Once my students are there in the class, I can start teaching the class. Without board, I can also teach via verbally, via your notebooks, right? But I need students, or I need these vital items to start production, right? Then comes my 6 essential items. After my 4 vital items are arranged in the industry, I will procure or I will buy 6 essential items which I need for my production, which will increase my efficiency of my employees or of my machines or of my final product. Then I will invest in these 6 essential items. I will not buy a single desirable item until and unless my 4 vital items are arranged, and after that my 6 essential items are arranged. Once my 6 essential items are there and 4 vital items are there, I will start my production rigorously. I will see some results. I will get some profits, right? After that, if I see that my production is running very smooth, I am getting enough profit, I might buy desirable items then, right? I might buy desirable items then. So once my desirable items are there, so I think with how I have uh, grouped these items, 4 vital items, 6 essential items, 10 desirable items, via VED analysis. Via VED analysis, I have decided which item should come in the category of vital, which item should come in the category of essential, and which item should come in the category of desirable. So in that case, I have got one more example. Suppose if you go outside to buy some groceries, like in this lockdown period, so you must be dividing, your mom or your father must be dividing the items in these 3 categories, which is vital, which is essential, and which is desirable. So vital items as in salt, oil, milk, right, pulses, right. Then essential items are as in vegetables, right, curd, like that. And the desirable items as in your desserts, your ice creams, right. So those are all what desirable items. Without desserts, without ice creams, I think you can survive. Without vegetables also, I think you can survive. But without oil, without flour, without rice, it will be very difficult to even make some food, because the rice, the flour is our basic commodity. Without it, we cannot have our meal, right? So this is our VED analysis. Thank you.